Today we'll draw a strawberry cake. Let's make it sweet and bright. Start by drawing the big strawberry first. Then add the triangle shape of the cake and the dripping frosting. Begin with the leaves. Color them green first. Then, fill in the strawberry with bright red, adding a little shading on one side to make it shine. Next, color the pink frosting on top, like yummy strawberry syrup dripping down. Now let's finish the cake layers. Start from the top and color the sponge cake golden yellow. Leave the middle cream part white. Then add the bottom cake layer in yellow. Layer by layer, it looks just like a real cake. Wow! Our strawberry cake is finished. With bright red strawberries and fluffy cake, it looks so tasty. True sweetness doesn't just come from cake. It comes from the moments we create with our hearts.